If she's got a black classic flat, then I've got a black classic flat. That's what I wanted to say. Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. We are back in the closet because I have been in the process of destroying and culling everything in my life. I am really in the process of changing style, improving, renovating, clearing out the closet, clearing out the mess in my life, and just trying to live a more curated, calm, luxurious, lovely life that is filled with peace and good things that I love and appreciate. So today I'm gonna go through my updated bag collection now that I've done a clear out of so many items, as well as a new unboxing as well. So before I get into my bag haul, my bag collection, which is small for some, large for others, but for me it's now really curated and there's space for more, I am going to do a Chanel unboxing. And the reality for me is that this time I didn't buy a classic flap. I have one classic flap in literally bright pink, and I don't have a black one. My sister has a black classic flap, so if she's got a black flaccid, if she's got a black flaccid, oh my god, I can't say it. If she's got a black flaccid, black classic flap, then I've got a black flaccid, classic. Oh my god, what's going on? My brain. If she's got a black classic flat, then I've got a black classic flat. Yeah! That's what I wanted to say. So I've invested in more color in my closet, and this was it here. This is it. Ah! Wait, hold on. I need to bring it back from the light a touch because the sun is making it pretty bright. But this is my new Chanel bag. It's a top handle bag. This is my first one of these. I wanted the beige, I wanted the black. These to me are like the new classics. These are the new classics to me. They're just so, elevated. These are so elevated and elegant and glamorous and beautiful and stunning and fabulous. And I had to get it in this pistachio. I thought it was a mint, but Mike was like, no, actually it's pistachio. And I'm gonna believe him because this is actually my anniversary gift. If you don't know, I celebrated 10 years of marriage. Yay! So this is this gorgeous pistachio top handle bag. It's gonna need love and care. And I'm the kind of person, I throw my bags in the corner, including the Hermes. It's embarrassing. I love this detail here. And there was quite a few colors actually that they showed me, and they had one that had like a rose gold bar and a gold one with something else on it. But this pistachio, it made my heart sing the second I saw it. This is gonna be added to my curated collection of bags. I've been loving bringing more color in and just having my classics and investing in high quality pieces that I'm gonna keep for years. So I'm gonna bring you over to my bag haul. Okay guys, here is my entire bag haul. This may be a lot for some, a little for others, but I have really curated my collection and I'm so happy because I've done that. I fully spent weeks like clearing out my entire closet, reducing the amount of shoes I have and bags and clothes, and I feel like I can breathe. I am all for just having things that really make your heart sing, obviously, and I feel like I'm there, but I've also got space for more. So I'm just gonna work my way left to right, tell you everything about the bags in my collection. And actually, I'll start from down the bottom because I love my Hermes bags and they're getting worn, you know. They're getting worn a bit too much, I'm not gonna lie. This one's got a little bit more of a slouch. This is my black Hermes gold hardware Birkin 20, my Birkin 30. So this bag has actually fallen on the ground and it got a little bit of a scratch here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I was insane, but who am I? Why am I wearing this to the airport when I'm struggling, when I'm rushing for a plane? Who am I? Why would it not fall on the gravel? It got scratched by the gravel. So then I also have my Birkin 30 Cellier. This is in the gold with the gold hardware, and I love the stitching. It's a really firm leather and I just love, oh, she's coming out for spring. I just love the material. I love the structure. I love that it's in the Cellier style. So it's kind of, it's done inside out, if that makes any sense. And it's just such a beauty. My red Kelly 28 silver hardware. She's pretty. When she's out, she's very out, and everybody does be like, look at her. And then obviously you guys recently saw this. This is my Birkin 28 in this color, this gray color. I don't even know what it's called, sorry guys. And it's got the gold hardware. She's been getting a lot of wear, probably too much wear again, but I'm really happy. This is my my Chanel boy bag. This is my first ever, this was my first ever Chanel bag. This was my first ever Chanel bag. It's been in the closet for such a long time. It barely gets worn, but this was such a good bag, a really good bag, a really valuable bag as well. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. She's gonna stay around for a while. We have another Chanel bag here. This is, oh, it is a top handle, but it's not the same as this bag here. And I love the material. My lip liner is just in there. No lid, no lid. I'm telling you guys. But this bag is so sturdy. Great bag. Then I have this little wallet on chain Prada bag. She never gets worn, ever gets worn. But I don't know why. She should get worn a little bit more. I want more to wear more coloured bags. So yeah, she'll come out this summer, this spring. So then I have this Jacquemus bag here. It's really cool. This is my first time I've ever bought one of these little Jacquemus bags, which are very trendy. I like them. I do like them. I have the yellow as well, but I don't know if I love, oh, lip gloss. So here's my Jacquemus bags. So I like, and I think they're fun and they're good for travel, but I don't know if they are my iconic kind of styles. So I might sell them, to be fair. But I do think they're really nice. I think they're really fun. And I feel like because they're lower in price, I can have fun with the colors that I know are not going to be back styles and colors that I wear all the time. Here is Chanel Classic Flap Time. Love her, love the color. She's so pretty. And see now, because I have this bag and it's such a bright pink, I see other pink bags, I'm like, I'm not buying them. I will never buy a pink bag because I know I have this bag. But there have been other pink bags that I've wanted, but I have her. I don't need another one. This is great. She's fabulous and she's sturdy. And this is, oh, just as I just put this on the side of me, I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm ready to go. I also have the Dior saddle bag. I still wear her here and there. She's like my good trusty black bag to go to. That's a bit smaller. I'll be honest, I don't wear it a lot. This may get sold. Actually, it's never going to get sold because 100% these come back in style all the time, year after year. Ooh, Loewe, my Loewe bag. She's so soft. She's so soft and she's so unstructured and she's just like squishy. I just love the color of her. And yeah, this is a great bag. So the Balenciaga, another Balenciaga bag. I bought this last year. This was a very, very trending bag. And this is the only white bag I have in my entire collection. I don't know who has white bags. White bags are the worst. But this one, to be fair, is really good quality. It comes out regularly with me. So I'm not mad at that. I don't know what this is. This is from Zara. But this bag is really nice. This is even a custom bag. This is actually from a brand, a British brand called Ruya. And this has got PB on it. This is what I love wearing, like on a night out. It's very Miu Miu without having a Miu Miu price tag. And this gets worn all the time. When I want to sparkle at an event, I bring out this bag and everyone compliments me on it. This is a classic. It is my Lady Dior. For me, this was quite an investment. It was quite pricey for me to purchase, but I wear it all the time. Again, it's another really good night out bag. To be fair, I would buy more and more Lady Dior's if I was going to be like, I want to keep buying more bags. This would be a bag that I will buy over and over again in different colors and different styles. And I don't have any clutches. Besides this clutch, I don't actually have any designer clutches. But this is so funny because this was actually from Killen. This is a case that I got with a perfume that I ordered years ago. But I use it as a purse and it's so good. And it's even got like a mirror inside. So it's stored perfume. But I've gone out many a night out with this as a handbag. Can you imagine? Look at this. This isn't going anywhere ever. And then I have 2 of these. I love these. These are also bags that I wear out for like clutches as night out. Again, I haven't invested in clutches from high-end brands, but these were actually, I'll show you on the inside. Prepare to be sick of me. Lipstick cases. Lipstick cases. And I could take out the insert. Oh, I can take out the insert. I don't know, I've just left the insert in. I just liked it. So I've worn this as a clutch many, many a time. This is my Chanel. This is a fabric bag, like a woven fabric bag. Really big bag. And again, another investment. And I saw this on Tomorrow years back. And I was like, I love the bag, I'm buying it. And I literally bought it the next day. And obviously it's made of a woven material. So it's gonna be more like floppy, and I'm not expecting it to have the same kind of structure as you know, a leather bag, but I've loved it and it's loved me, and it's even a bit, you know, it's a bit worn now, but I kind of like that about this bag. If I was gonna have another baby, this would be my baby bag. Do I want another baby? I'm tired. Finally, I have 2 more tote bags. This Christian Dior tote bag, and I fell in absolute love with it. It's come to so many countries with me. It's traveled with me so many times. It's sturdy, it's big, it's good. It's just a good bag. And I think if you were ever thinking about picking up one of these Dior tote bags, just do it. You're fine. They're excellent quality. They're worth it. You wear them again and again. This is a holiday bag. This is a holiday bag that you will wear for years. Simple. So this bag may be one of my best investments. So this is a limited edition bag from Louis Vuitton. Oh, it's so good. I've only worn this. I've not even worn it once. I've worn it for 2 hours only. And I believe I paid just under £2,000 for it. These go for £6,000 right now, but I can't sell it. I almost sold it and I didn't. I'm so glad I didn't. There's a time on my Instagram I did like a whole bunch of bag sales, and I didn't sell this one. I'm glad I didn't. And I think I'll wear it again. What do you guys think? So yeah, that is it, guys. That is my bag collection, my curated bag collection. There is room for more, but for me, I'm really focused on like not having more, but having things that I'm like, I love, I'm excited about. I don't want to put any more money into crap I don't like. I'm tired of it. I'm bored. I don't want to do it anymore. So this is probably going to be part of a series where I'm showing you my collections and talking about clearing out my closet and just having a more curated, brought together style that makes you feel good. And I will have links in my description box for my account if you ever want to purchase anything. Some of the stuff that I've cleared out in my closet, some of my designer bags are there as well. I'll link that in the bottom and you guys can check it out. All right, guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you all later. Bye.